This is Pat from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Vagabonds Spring Show. Good morning, good morning!
Big crowd.
Oh, this is wonderful. What do you have under the hood?
LS3.
I'm sorry, did you say Ford?
No, Chevy.
Did you say Ford?
Yeah.
Looks great, sounds wonderful. One day I gotta see a Chevy with a Ford under the hood, just for yucks and giggles. Nice little thing, too. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I love it. It's about 64, 65. El Camino. Nice. These are always so special. And of course we got our little Deuce. That's a lovely little Deuce.
'66, yeah.
Very nice.
Thank you.
What's under the hood? 350?
383 stroker.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank the volunteers. Without the volunteers, none of this would be done. Some modern Mopar muscle, Challenger coming through. And so you're not forgotten. Got some good pre-war here. It's a 38, yep, 38 Chevy. Buick, excuse me. Buick 8, beautiful, beautiful car. That looks like a senior. That is nice, I like that. This of course has a straight 8 overhead valve. Is this an 80?
No, it's a 40.
40.
40 series.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful car.
Thank you.
And the truck in back. Nice little Chevy, about 37. I get this Plymouth. This is one that went absolutely wild. Exner was crazy, crazy. Look at these styling details on this convertible, would you? This is the one with the rectangular steering wheel. I can see if I catch up and show you. Sounds real good. Not pulling off. You can see the steering wheel, how futuristic. I have to show off there.
Oh yeah.
See it in the sun, and I just love the speedometer up there. That's gorgeous.
Thank you.
60?
60. Great year.
Definitely. Thank you. About a 72. Roadrunner, of course. Nice little Mustang. Mach 1, so 70. Oh, that sounds good. That sounds good. This one's for you, Dave. In green and everything. I'm going to get you a better shot. Hang on a second. There we go. Nice. Flip it around here. You can pick up that Pontiac. Little Tempest. Love the convertible. That is a nice car. That poor girl had hit a deer. And he had rebuilt the front end back to the original Le Mans. Very nice Le Mans Sport. Nova, this is just about the last year, 77 year last year for. How you doing? Very good. Beautiful little Ford Galaxy. Again, drop top. Beautiful Galaxy 500. There she is. 64?
63.
3. Missed it by, I keep missing by 1 year. Shoot.
That's better than 5 years.
That's true. Oh, look at this Mustang. I love this. Nice paint job. Yep, there we go. Getting used to the new equipment. What can I say? 289. I like that Hearst Equip. It's got its Shelby touches on it, including Tosca Ford. Oh, very nicely done. The scopes. Of course, they've got a 55. What's the show without a few 55s? Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Vagabonds Spring Show. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, make sure you post and share your events. And if you like this video, click subscribe. I'll see you at the shows.